Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another video and another awesome product. Today what we have here is a J5Create USB Type-C triple display docking station, which is purely designed to make your life easier, especially for the ones who like to work with multiple screen, and I like to call them the top-notch content creators and the busy executives. Now this is one device, one dock, which is going to add on a lot of flexibility and a lot of productivity to your work environment, here and by a very simple and elegant looking product, as I can see on the box. But before we get on to the technical details of it, let's find out what this bad boy packs inside. Flip, you got some basic pictures and imagery talking about the product and what it entails, but we would like to see more details. And when we open the box, let's find out what it has inside. We have is a beautiful sturdy case, which means the product is packed, which is you can carry it easily wherever you are traveling to, and you don't have to worry about this getting damaged or scratched. Let's look inside this case. Inside this case we have is a complete set. Now it has a manual, plus I think it has some space where you can put in some cable or some change if you want to. And so we have 4 different adapters. Let's start with that. We've got an HDMI adapter here with USB Type-C converter, and then we have the VGA adapter, and then we have the mini DP port, one of those semi-old style devices. They don't use this anymore, I've not seen it in a while. And then we have networking port for RJ45 right here, and all these connect with USB Type-C. And then we have the primary base device, which has 2 USB Type-C ports here, and a USB Type-C port here, and a USB Type-C port here, and we've got 2 USB and VGA adapters right here. Now I think what we need to do is just simply plug one of these bad boys into your device, and this is another one which is magnetic. I was wondering how do these. Oh, we've got another 5th one, which is a microSD and SD card reader right here. Pardon my ignorance. That's the 5th one that we have here, and then we have this adapter. So all we need to do is basically just plug this into your C port, and you've got some additional ports here, and which means 2 additional USB Type-C ports, 2 USB ports, and then you can just constantly keep plugging things onto it as you want to connect with different things. Now what you need to do if you don't need the SD card and everything, you just want to extend your multiple screen capabilities, all you have to do is you can use one of the USB Type-C ports. You can just plug in, so you can use the HDMI, that's the first extension. Then you can always use the VGA adapter to have the second one, and then you can have another HDMI or a mini DP interface, whichever you fancy using at the time of the kind of devices that you have. Now this is the kind of device which makes life easier. This is the whole kit which we would love to carry with us when we are traveling, and when we come to connecting this back, it's got a nice snappy magnetic feel to it, so you don't have to worry about losing this, because it just snaps right back into its place, goes back into the case, and bang. Great stuff, guys. Well done J5Create by creating such a modular system, which gives us the flexibility to use the connectors, each connectors to our requirements as we do. Now what it also has is that this one of the USB Type-C connectors is quite capable of fast charging, and so that you don't have to worry about slowing down the other devices that are going to be connected, especially your tablet or mobile phone, which are now fast charging capable. This pretty much takes care of it. One thing which I am quite curious to find out is that I could not find the cable which they spoke about. Maybe I am missing something, which I will try to find, and if I do, I'll add some images to it, but I think probably that's a different model that goes with it, because this definitely does not have any cable in it. Let's reconfirm. Yes, it doesn't. Guys, here we go. Amazing looking product and amazing utility. It's technically, I would like, instead of saying just 3 display dock, it can just not just simply add 3 additional displays to your current display, but also has, I would like to call it an 11-in-1 with the kind of connectivity option this bad boy offers. It's a beautiful, unique piece, and I absolutely adore it, and I think I'm going to start using it with my laptop immediately after I'm done recording this video. If you really did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding J5Create and the product, or anything regarding our channel that you want to see that you would like us to add, please leave a comment below. And in the meantime, keep yourself safe, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon. Peace.